Hey besties, and happy Thursday. Message for today: work hard and be nice, but that is not the reason why I'm here. I have a small PSA I have to deliver. I finally had the opportunity to try on the Saumur BB handbag, monogram, and vachetta. We know this, very cute. I am a fan of canvas handbags, but I also promised myself I would no longer purchase another small handbag. And yes, that handbag is small. I also announced it is coming out September 12th with the saffron color, the cognac color, and also in black. I have to retract. I spoke to my CA. For those that are ordering the cognac color, I have to say this. It is not going to replace the beautiful Cognac Speedy 25 bandolier. I am absolutely sorry. My CA said the saffron color is actually going to be the hottest color that's going to be released. So if you are looking for a replacement, the Saumur BB isn't it. It's a small handbag. But if you want just a cognac color in your collection, hey, go with it. I'm not here to change your mind. I'm just going to retract on the statement stating if you want a replacement for the Speedy 25, if you missed out, go and get the Saumur BB handbag, and that's not it. Looking on Fashion File, it is available, but they mark it up an extra $1,000. I'm just here to help and deliver the message. Before you guys ask me, the retail price was $2,700. So again, if you want to purchase, you are going to have to find this in a consignment shop. One of the most beautiful handbags I've ever seen in my life, and it is perfect for fall. I also want to point out, if you are torn on if you should order the Saumur BB over the mini bum bag or the high-rise bum bag, those two are not permanent pieces. The bum bags are not permanent pieces. They are going to disappear here shortly. I told you guys this. Go for those items before purchasing the Saumur BB handbags if you have the opportunity to catch them while they are on the website, or if you have a bomb CA that can go out and find these bum bags for you. Again, always purchase the items that are not permanent before purchasing permanent handbags, which the Saumur BB in monogram canvas is permanent. I feel like the colors in the Saumur BBs will be just like the Alma BBs in Epi Leather. They are just going to produce different colors in this handbag, and I think they will be here for a while. Again, find the mini bum bag, find the high rise, purchase ASAP, because they will not be here forever. Have a good day.